Hey guys! In today's video, we will be making pistachio muffin. And to give it a crunch, we'll be pairing it with unbelievably delicious pistachio crumble. These bakery style muffins are everything that you want in a muffin, made with real pistachios. These muffins are tender and fluffy without being overly sweet. And you know what? They're perfect for breakfast or brunch. I'm Chef Aruna from Truffle Nation Baking Academy, where we help aspiring bakers just like you to become professional bakers and run your own successful business. And before we begin the recipe, make sure that you are subscribed to our channel and have hit the bell icon to stay updated with all our upcoming recipes. So without wasting more time, let's start the recipe by making the pistachio crumble first. For that, in a bowl, we'll take all-purpose flour. Brown sugar, butter, and pistachio powder. And mix with your fingertips to get a crumbly texture. In my opinion, every muffin should have a delicious crunchy top. Don't you think so? But this one is extra special because it's a pistachio crumble topping. And if you want some clusters, pinch some of the crumble together. We will keep this aside until the muffin batter is ready. Now for the muffin batter, first we will make the buttermilk by mixing vinegar in milk. Next, in a bowl, we'll mix egg and both the castor and brown sugar together. And in this, we'll add pistachio paste, which I made by simply grinding raw pistachios until I got a paste-like texture. Followed by buttermilk, melted butter, and vanilla essence. Give all the ingredients a good mix. We'll now sieve in all-purpose flour, baking powder, and salt. Give it a mix, then add in the flour-coated chopped pistachios. Lastly, add a very little amount of green gel color to the batter and give it a final mix. Transfer the batter to a piping bag, then divide it into 6 muffin liners equally. Now on top, we'll add the pistachio crumble that we made earlier. We will bake them at 180 degrees Celsius for 25 to 30 minutes or until a toothpick inserted in the middle comes out clean. So our muffins are baked. We'll let it cool down for some time, then they're ready to be served. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as I did when I curated this recipe. Do like and subscribe to our YouTube channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon to get notified every time we post a new recipe.